Want to boost your credit score fast? Here are 3 tips. Tip number 1, pay bills on time. Pay your bills on time. Late payments can hurt your score. Tip number 2, reduce credit card balances. Keep your credit utilization below 30%. This can dramatically improve your credit score. Tip number 3, check for errors. Review your credit report for errors and dispute any inaccuracies. Small changes can lead to big improvements. Need personalized help? Contact us today for expert credit repair services in Texas.